Hello everyone and welcome to my holiday computer tutorial for you from the screenshot video recorder mobizen. Mobizen is an app when you do screenshot or you can do a stream while you're playing your game and stuff. So welcome into my regular YouTube streaming video on this holiday computer tutorial special for you. So with the needs of security for electronic devices is increasing. You know, a lot of things that you need to protect yourself from unknown scam calls and any other information that you don't need on your device. Well, there's an easier way to protect yourself from any fraudulent or scam protection for making yourself safe. So the newest phone they have out now is the LG Stylo 6. So is the newest phone. This is the recent phone that came out, the LG 5 Stylo 5. This is one of the newest phones in the out, and this is the best one yet because it has a pen that you can use. So there's three ways you can protect your device from any scams. So there's a setting called when you go into your phone settings here, and when you click on it, and it will show you what so this is what lock screen and security. So find my device, security update, Google Play Protect, Google Play System update, select screen lock, secure lock settings, and smart lock, show lockdown option, and see which one is for the SIM card. So to set up a SIM card lock, so this is another way to lock your device. So you have three remaining attempts. So if you miss three times, your device will lock, and you have to call your provider to unlock your SIM card pin. And so when I upload this YouTube tutorial, I will put it in private because it's showing sensitive information. So because I'm doing a screenshot YouTube tutorial. So you gotta be safe when I upload this thing on YouTube. And so you enter your current pin, secure SIM card pin lock, which I'm not gonna set this up yet. Maybe once I totally pay off the phone, then I will set up a secure SIM card lock. And with the needs of security increasing now for electronic devices, it will be better to have SIM card pin lock. Whether you're paying bills or doing mobile banking, any kind of thing that is important, you might want to set a pin. Then once you set up the pin, you will be able to every time you turn on your phone, you will be able to enter the SIM card pin So I won't do this to when I totally pay off this phone. So 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 once you entered your PIN, you press OK, which I'm not gonna do that yet, and you will your device will be locked, and once you turn it back on, it's gonna unlock the device. So your SIM card will have a current a security pin to protect yourself against any fraudulent or any scam calls that you get. It will protect you from these things on the stuff. So you can cancel that for now. So and there's more screen lock setting. There's a we have your phone administrators, trust agents, screen pin. So this is another way for a screen pin. Pin a screen to keep the current screen in view until you unpin. You can let others use that screen only to prevent an app from being closed. So to do this, to pin a screen, turn on the screen pin before you can do the follow. So look on the following instructions. So it's saying, is it still recording? Okay, good. So one, you open the screen you want to pin, tap the icon to see recent apps you have pinned, and tap to the pin. And after pinning, you can unpin the screen pin to switch to another app. Touch and hold since to unpin. So so phone administrators. This is another one. So these are the one you want to administrate for your phone. So Google Pay for Google Pay for when you buy stuff on Google. Find phone features and find my device. So the find my device which allow you to find my device to unlock to erase a lost device. So but the number one thing you might want to set up is here encryption and so we have here other lock screen options. We have encryption, SD card, secure startup. Secure startup. So this is another way to protect your phone instead of using your SIM card pin. Like I did it once with T-Mobile before when at the time, but this is Spectrum. So secure startup pin. So you can add an extra protection. So you can add an extra protection to your phone by requiring your PIN when it turns on until you enter your PIN, and your phone will be able to get calls, messages, or notifications or sound alarms. This helps protect data from loss. Protect. This help you protect data on loss or stolen devices. So this is a good idea, especially if you don't wanna join LifeLock, if you don't wanna go with LifeLock 360 with Norton, if you don't wanna do any of that stuff, you can do a secure startup. Even on your laptop or Surface Pro computer, you can do a secure startup too. Not maybe not with the regular laptop computers, but maybe for the smart computers like the Surface Pro, the Microsoft Surface Pro lap two-in-one computers, you can set up a secure startup. So it will be same like the SIM card startup. So once you enter this, require a PIN to turn on phone, which I won't do this yet, and because it's best that you do this anyway, because for extra security and be keep your stuff more safe. Rather be safe than sound. So, and there's other options to protect you. User credentials, install from phone storage. So, there's no credentials. It's empty. So, a secure startup. So this is when you protect your phone with a lock screen when it powers on. So this is another safer way. So to do this, this will be actually safer because so you don't get no scam calls, unknown calls, prank calls on the phone. That way nobody will get your number or any kind of information. Which is better for set your or on your phone or tablet, and it will be much more safer. So once you hit this, then you hit OK, then you enter your PIN. So once you enter your PIN, you will have to if you power off your phone, then you turn it back on, then you can do it. So and stuff. So this is the best way to make your phone secure. So, and there's other options. So you can install credentials from storage. So browse files and other apps from Google Drive, recent files on your phone. So there's nothing. And do encryption for an SD card. So it says here to protect your data from unauthorized use. So, like when you encrypt your computer, if you have if you have encryption on your phone is plugged in to encryption, if you can encryption interrupted, some data will be lost. So I'm not sure about this. So it says here to protect your data from being unauthorized use, you can encrypt your SD card due to other devices won't be able to read it, but if you want to move or encrypted SD card to another device, and you will have to decrypt it first, encryption, and it takes within Takes an hour or more to start with it. Charge battery. Keep the phone plugged in until the encryption is complete. So just like when you on your computer, you gotta like keep your computer plugged in and wait till the thing done encrypted. So it's to protect your data. While you're printing out documents, you're saving it on your SD card, or doing the therapy part from East to Silver, then you're saving a document is safer, so you won't get any mixed up. So that's how you do it. Yeah, and that's how you do. That's how you do. So another warning: usage access. So it's wait here. This thing trying to load. This is on a usage access for the apps that you used. So you can either turn it on or off, but most of these apps gotta be on because it's part of the phone. Like when you install something on Windows, so you turn it on. So permit usage access. So if you have AirDroid for your remote connection for your phone, you can usage access allows you to an app to track other apps or using how often as your carrier, languages, settings, and other details. So that's another way for security purposes. So, yeah. So, yeah. Well, this concludes my holiday computer tutorial for you. I'm gonna upload it on YouTube. That's where I upload all my computer YouTube tutorials. And if you want to watch some of them, you can head on my YouTube channel and watch all my computer tutorial videos, or you can look up some yourself on how to use your phone, tablet, or Surface laptop, or any kind of device that you want to use. You can look it up on. So, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Please like and share and subscribe.